How to use Rabby Wallet. All right, guys. So, how do you use the Rabby Wallet? Once you've logged in, there are a couple of ways you can use the Rabby Wallet, all of which are available on the home screen. You could use Rabby in swaps by clicking on swap and moving from one token to another. You could also make use of the bridge feature that is prevalent here by clicking on bridge and moving from one network to another. So let's say you want to move from Ethereum all the way to something like Polygon or something like Ink or Linear or Metis or even something as low as the World Chain or Zora. So you could easily bridge from one chain to another. So let's say something like the base. So you could directly swap from Ethereum all the way to base. So we could move from native Ethereum to base Ethereum. It works like that. And now another thing you can do on Rabby is sending tokens. So in order to send a token, go ahead and click on send. You're going to be sending from this account here, this wallet, and then you're going to have to enter the next wallet you want to send it to. So let's say something like this. And then just go ahead and enter the amount you want to send and just simply hit on confirm. And that's it. That's how you can send. Now to receive, click on the receive option and you can simply receive using your QR code or the wallet address. You could copy the address and paste it elsewhere. Now, if you click on all EMVM chains, you could select a chain you want. So let's say you want something like the Zerkit. Just click on Zerkit and you will receive your assets here. But selecting the EMV chain just simply gives you access to all the networks at the same time. Now, if you have any network you want to add because you do not have the address, just click on custom network, click on add again, enter the chain ID, the network name, RPC URL, symbol, and blockchain explorer. And that's it. All right, guys, another way of using the Rabby is by scrolling through and making connections on DEXs. So you can simply connect to platforms like PancakeSwap, Uniswap, SushiSwap, LFJ, or LlamaSwap. So you could just go with something as easy as Uniswap, click on it, and then click on open, and then just go ahead and connect your wallet to the Uniswap platform and easily make your swaps on here. So you could swap using their rates and the speed.